The Classic Auto Mall is like going to the greatest indoor car show in the country. With more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles for sale via consignment in our 8-acre climate-controlled showroom, we've got something for everyone. We're open to the public most days, plus you can also easily search our inventory online at classicautomall.com. Buying and selling via consignment is safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 vehicles for consignment in our huge climate-controlled showroom. Classic Auto Mall is located in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, 1 hour west of Philadelphia, right off the turnpike. For more information or to view our inventory of more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles, visit classicautomall.com.